Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Bang & Olufsen BEOPLAY EARSET wireless earphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having issues with these earphones and not connecting to Bluetooth or not syncing or pairing with your phone or other device, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you might also want to do this if for whatever reason you just want to delete all of the pairing history off of them so that you can go ahead and set these up like they're a brand new device. We can do this quite easily. We want to make sure they have a decent charge on them and they are turned on. So you'll have to take them off the charging dongle and then press the power button in the middle. Once you do that, you're just going to come and press and hold the volume up and volume down buttons and just press and hold them simultaneously for about 10 seconds, keeping an eye on the indicator light. And when the indicator light starts flashing red, it means that this ear set has been factory reset. You can let go of the buttons and now you can pair these earphones to your device as though you're pairing a brand new set of earphones.